Hi, this is Adrian, and this is Shanti. This is your 2-minute vocal tip. She doesn't want to be here, but since she's here, she's gonna be my inspiration for this next one. Oh, there she goes. This one's gonna be kind of like a purr. You know when you put your head on a cat's purring belly and you hear that kind of sound? That's it's a rolled R basically. Or if you can do it, you could roll the back of your tongue. I can't do it. I don't speak any foreign languages that need it, but I could do it a long time ago. Anyway, the rolled R is a great semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, a great little resistance where the airflow is being resisted, not by your throat, but by your articulators. So, great little warm-up. It's a good first one. It's very similar to lip trills or fricative consonants like zzz or zh, things like that. So this is just a great one to kind of touch base with on a regular basis. It goes like this. Like that. You could do it on any pattern, sliding 5-note scale, arpeggios, whatever you like. Let's do a sliding octave. So this is also going to make sure that you don't have any tongue tension, because if you have tongue tension, this is going to be hard to do. So I'll start there. We'll start on that note. Guys, you can start an octave down. I can't sing that note. One more. That one was a hard one for me today. I'm going to think more forward. There we go. I had fallen back a little bit. All right, so that is how that one goes. It's tough for a lot of people, so if you can't do that one, don't stress out about it. It's not a big deal, especially for English speakers who aren't singing operas where you need to roll your R's. All right, I'll see you in the next one.